Real small, dude. First little guy of the trip. Ready?
Goes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Double Down Fishing. We just drove about a solid 2 hours and made it down to a Lake Erie tributary. Gonna be drifting some egg sacks under floats. This egg sack right here. I'm out here with my brother. And NY Fishing Show again, baby. Hopefully we can get into some chrome steel. We'll be back when we get some. Yeah, baby. Got a head shaker right here, dog.
Hell yeah, boys. Lake Ontario Steel.
Lake Erie. That's a nice looking fish, dude. Ready? That's a real nice fish.
You got this beautiful Lake Erie Steelhead.
Gotta get close up on that, man.
Look at the colors on that. Releasing this beautiful steelhead right here. See ya! Alright guys, we just doubled up on these two little stackers right here. Beautiful little fish. But they're not what we're looking for. We're looking for some 6 to 5 pound.
Some big chromers, man.
Big chromers only.
Let them go and let them grow. Oh my god, chromer.
Keep it tight, keep it tight. Oh, Devin.
Fish on.
Oh yeah, baby,
little,
that's a chromer, dude.
Oh, little chrome.
Lake Erie chromer, right?
Lake Erie chromer, baby.
Kicking himself in. Dude, heads up, heads up. Heads up, stupid man. Told you, man, this whole...
Here, keep walking. Walk. Don't pull too hard. Didn't I just say?
Keep pulling, keep pulling.
Yeah!
That's nice, dude. That's what I'm
That's a fat little 19-incher right up in the corner. Okay, ready? Yeah, look at me. Get a nice shot. Nice little steely on the chartreuse egg sack right there. Good stuff, man.
Oh yeah, man, look at that. Oh, that is what we catch on NY Fishing Show and Double Down Fishing right
There's
here.
a beauty. About to release this nice little chrome steelhead back into Lake Erie tributary.
There she goes.
Hooked up, baby. It's a head shaker, man.
What color egg sack?
This is pink, I think.
Pink? Steelhead. Oh, dude, that's beautiful.
We don't fish at Lake Erie
that's
often,
chrome.
so that's nice.
That's chrome.
Here, walk this way.
Dude.
Move, dude. Move so I can see. Move so I can see the fish. Yeah, I will. Move so I can see the fish.
Walk over me. I don't want to let him go. Yeah. Oh,
heads up.
He's crazy. Go slow. Cause I do not want to lose this thing.
Wait. Easy. Okay, we're good. We're gonna bank it right here. Oh, yeah, boys!
That is a pull.
Yeah, baby! That's nice.
Let Jackson take some shots. Oh. Hang on.
Alright, ready?
Look good? Take some shots and let me get in there.
Lift it like up more. Yep.
Alright, look at me.
Perfect.
Alrighty, there's a steelhead, guys. Look at that. Nice chromer on Lake Erie tributary. That one fell for the pink egg sack. It just slipped down.
Bottom of the hooks
right in the mouth,
right
baby.
Alright, guys, it's hooked off. Big fish, dude. Oh! Coming to, oh my goodness. Here, walk back. Walk over. Let us fight, dude. It's gonna go crazy.
Yeah, it's good.
It's gonna go crazy.
Hooked up to another dandy.
It's gonna go crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Keep it tight, man.
It's snowing real crazy right now.
Yeah, we're fishing in
Look at
Fishing
this,
in the
dude.
tundra.
I mean, it is just downpouring like hail.
Right now.
Straight hail. This is dedication right here, boys. Let's land her. Yes, sir. That's a tank.
She's in.
That's a nice buck. Where's the egg sack? I mean, it is just gone. You won't even be able to see that bad boy. I mean, oh my goodness, inhale. Look at that, dude.
The beautiful steelhead ring I just got. Beautiful male buck.
A little crazy.
A little crazy.
But, I mean, that's a nice Erie fish right there. Big enough. Alrighty, fish on. Oh, no.
It's not big, it's crazy. It's not real feisty, eh? Nice.
Nothing big, just a little, maybe 15-incher.
Better than one of those little stalkers.
Heck yeah.
Alright guys, Devin is hooked up. Oh,
Nice.
Little guy.
That thing's got some like purple on it.
oh my. Look at the gold back on that.
Still a nice little fish.
Heck yeah. Choke the
Here,
shark.
hang on.
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah, man. Alrighty, there it is, just a little tiny steelhead. Real small. Chomped right there, the little chartreuse sack. Alright, pop the hook out, let him go. Okay, ready?
Nice fish. Hold them up one more time. Nice Lake Erie steelhead.
Alrighty, see you, buddy. Fish on.
Oh, cow.
Alright guys, Devin got another one.
Lake Erie brown trout, baby.
Brown. People have said the brown one's been a lot better this year here.
Must be a wild one though. There's not much.
Gill's all screwed up.
His gill is screwed up.
That thing's got
That's my first Lake Erie brown, man.
that thing's got some different colors on it, kind of, doesn't it?
Right there in the pink egg sac.
Oh yeah. Beautiful fish, Devin.
Heck yeah, man. There's a nice little brown. What is it? Color egg sac. Pink egg sac,
Yep.
once again.
Let him go.
Let him go back.
Screwed up.
Get a nice shot of that.
What happened there? I don't even know.
See ya. Alright, everyone. We're ending the day on the stream right here. Nice looking stream. Lake Erie. We got a decent amount of steelhead, and we ended up getting one brown towards the end. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.